The most thing I like is ASAFE team. They try their best to support our customers and our team in China to solve the problem and the challenges. They always say we are in it together. I'm Alex. I'm the Managing Director of CONINCO China. Our company headquarters is located in Xiamen City, south of China. Our company mainly focuses on safety, products and solutions in China. We became a safe reseller from 2016. After 3 years, I came UK again. Yesterday, I visited ASAFE new factory. I saw that new production line and new building, new office, and I also see that the ASAFE team, become bigger than before, especially the new test center and research and development center. We provide our products and solutions for many industries in China, such as auto manufacturing and auto spare parts supplier, food and beverage, retail, machinery, logistics, and warehouse. We found that ASAFE products are very innovative. It can help our customers. It can protect our customers' employees and equipment and assets, and reduce the risk of accidents in their workplace. In China, I think the big changes for our customers is that many customers don't know ASAFE and ASAFE flexible safety barriers. We are happy to be trusted by ASAFE Group in China. For us, we will be much more confident when we go to customer sites, and we can tell them that the whole ASAFE Group is becoming better and stronger. We promise them we deliver the high quality in product and service to our customer side. We solve them problem in the factory.